everyone. It is great to see you here once again on Dee's Delights. Today we're going to make oven fried chicken. So what you're going to want to do is first preheat your oven to 410 degrees, and let's go ahead and make an egg mix. What you'll want to do is have 1/3 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, or you can just use 1/3 cup of buttermilk. We're going to do 1 large egg. Let's whisk the 1 egg with our 1/3 cup of buttermilk. For our pan, let's put 4 tablespoons of butter on it. So let's mix the flour, which is 1 cup of all-purpose, our 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, our 1 teaspoon of baking powder, our 1½ teaspoons of salt, our 2 teaspoons of ground paprika, our 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and our 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and our ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. Let's whisk that together. Okay, we'll set that aside. We'll get our 2 pounds of chicken out. Go ahead and trim the fat off your chicken. All right, let's go ahead and put our pan in the oven with our 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and coat our chicken in the flour. Okay, the butter is melted, the pan is hot. Okay, next in the egg mixture. And then once again in the flour mixture. Press it in there so it sticks. And do that with each piece. Then we're going to put it on the pan. Off to the oven it goes. We're going to bake it for 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll flip it over and bake it for another 5 to 10. It just depends on how thick your chicken is, and you can add more butter to the pan if needed. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. I'm going to flop them over, and probably, I don't know, if I might need a little bit more butter in here. Let's see. Oh, they're getting nice and crispy. And let's pop them back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that it gets to 165 degrees. I'm going to break this up and put a little bit of butter in here. See if the chicken's at 165. Ooh. All right, I'm going to pop it back in. We're going to broil it now for just a couple of minutes. All right, I'm going to put it on a wire rack, and I'm just going to let it rest. Now, I usually dip my chicken in ranch dressing, but I'm first going to try it without dressing. Reheating instructions would be to do it in the air fryer or the oven so that it stays crispy. So I'll try this piece right here. Ooh, nice and juicy. Yeah, it's nice and crunchy. The panko breadcrumbs make a big difference. I would recommend those over regular breadcrumbs. I don't even think I need the ranch dressing on this. It's very good, very tasty. I rated it a 9 out of 10. I baked mine for 12 minutes, flipped it, baked it for another 10, then broiled it for about 2 to 3 minutes. There you have it. Enjoy your crispy oven fried chicken, folks. Have a great day.